Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today I will tell you how we can use P2P method on KuCoin. So first of all, log into your KuCoin account, and then after that you will see this option of buy crypto. Just click on it and you will see P2P option here. Just open it up. You can use this method for buying as well as for selling. Let's first see how you can use it for buying. So first of all, you can select the crypto that you want to purchase using this P2P method. It can be the USDT, BTC, Ethereum. There are various options, and you can also select the currency of your choice. Currently USD is selected, and here you will see name of trader and also the number of orders they have completed. And make sure that while doing this you always check this percentage, because this is quite important. This percentage indicates the success ratio of orders executed by a particular person. So this person has completed 99.38% of his orders, so basically the fail rate is quite low. And you can also see the payment methods that he accepts. That means that you have to pay him USD using any of this payment method, and he will give you the USDT. Currently $573 is available with him, and the limit is 10 to 800 USD, which means that you cannot transact with him if you want less than $10. Suppose you want $8, then you have to select someone who's ready to sell you $8. And currently this person is selling in that limit of yours, which is $8. And you can also see the price you will have to pay for 1 USDT. So this person is selling USDT for 1.02 USD, which means that 0.02 is his commission. And in that manner you can choose the person of your choice, but always make sure that you choose someone who has over 90% of success rate. This reduces the risk of your funds getting lost. So pay attention while doing this. All you have to do is just select one person and then just click on buy. Then fill up the amount that you want to purchase. Suppose I want $13 of USDT, then I will place this order, and the payment method is Payeer. So choose the method as per your convenience. And after placing this order, you will be able to chat with this person, and you can say that you have released the payment using Payeer, and they will revert back and also release the USDT for you. And that's how it works. And also make sure that you have clicked on the option I have paid on the end of that screen, so other person can also revert back. And in the similar manner you can use the sell feature of P2P and sell your USDT and convert it into USD. Select sell under P2P and choose the person of your choice that meets your requirements, and then click on sell. And here configure the payment method, and for that just click on it and click on add. Select payment method. Suppose I'm selecting this bank transfer, and here fill the details and you will be good to go. And that's how you use P2P method on KuCoin. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button if this video helped you, and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.